All right, number 4, a store sells new video games for $55 each. Each means I'm going to multiply. Used video games sell for $12 each. Each means I'm going to multiply. Jacob is buying 3 new video games and X used video games. Which equation can be used to find Y, the total price Jacob must pay in dollars? All right, so new video games are $55 each, and he's getting 3 of those. That's the new ones. And the used ones, he is getting, we don't know how many he's getting, X for $12 each. Okay, so we need an equation that matches this up. So 3, I need to multiply 3 times 55, which I don't see anything that means 3 times 55. And then I need to multiply 12 times X. So here's a 12 times X, here's a 12 times X. I don't see any 12 times X there. All right, but this 3 times 55, I'm going to have to go ahead and multiply that out. Okay, so 3 at 55 each is 165, which is what B says. B says the 165, which takes care of the 3 for 55, and 12X, which takes care of the used ones. So that's going to be answer choice B. All right, number 5. On Roberto's shelves are these books: 6 mystery, 5 science, 4 history, 3 adventure books. Roberto will randomly choose one book to read. What is the probability that he will choose an adventure book? Okay, for probability, every action gets a fraction. All right, so what are we doing? We're doing the probability of the adventure book. Adventure book. Are we doing anything else? No. So this is just going to have one fraction. So I need to know how many total books there are. So I've got to add this up. So that's 6 and 4 is 10, 5 and 3 is 8. So altogether that's 18. So I'm going to have 18. The number of adventure books is 3. So I have 3 out of 18, which doesn't match an answer choice, but I can simplify this fraction. I can divide by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 18 divided by 3 is 6. And so the probability he's going to choose an adventure book is 1 out of 6. Okay, number 6, the 2 parallelograms below are similar. All right, so when we wrote down our proportions, we wrote down one for similar figures, big to little. All right, and I'm going to need to set up a proportion, big to little. Okay, here's the big one. Here's the little one. All right, and I want to know what is the side length of PQ. I'm trying to find the side length of PQ, which is right here. So I have to match it up with the little one of 16. And then since this is a proportion, I've got to use 2 other sides, which would be the 30 and the 12. Okay, then I'm going to plug everything in. So on the big one, I have a side length of 30. It matches the little one where it's 12. I don't know what this is. That's going to be my X, and it's going to match up with a 16 on the little one. So everything to do with the big triangles, everything to do with the big parallelograms on top, everything to do with the little parallelogram is on bottom. So then I cross multiply. 12x is equal to 30 times 16. We'll have to multiply 30 times 16. So that's 480. So I have 12x is equal to 480. I divide both sides by 12. That divides away. And then I have to figure out how many times 12 will go into 480. So 12 will go into 48 4 times. Nice and even. And then 12 will go into 0 times. So that would be 40. All right, so make sure, does this make sense? Okay, if I'm saying this is 40 and this is 30, so if this is 12 and this is 30, and this 16 is bigger than 12, so this number, this 40 is bigger than 30, that sounds about right. So I get answer choice F. Okay, number 7. Felix has a bucket of golf balls. The table shows the number of golf balls of each color in the bucket. Felix selects a golf ball at random. Based on the information in the table, which statement is true? All right. The golf ball is more likely to be green than all other colors combined. Okay, green is 18. All the other colors combined, that's 4 plus 11 plus 8. So that's 23. All right, is 18 bigger than 23? No. So A is not our answer choice. The golf ball is equally likely to be pink, white, orange, or green. So that would mean all these numbers would equal each other, but these don't equal to each other. So that's not true. The golf ball is 2 times as likely to be orange as pink. Orange is 8, pink is 4. Okay, so 2 times 4 is 8. So the golf ball is 2 times as likely to be orange as pink. So that's true. D, the golf ball is 7 times as likely to be green as white. So green is 18, white is 11. 11 times 7 is not 18. So the one that's true is C.